This is what on local listeners WUTI. Welcome, I'm Brian, your avid listener, with a very special listen today. About a week ago, I had the chance to record the sounds of a new home. I heard how local builder Larry K. from L&A Builders was just about done building a beautiful 3,500 square foot home. And so I reached out to him and asked if I could record it. I want to thank Larry K. and the homeowners for giving me this wonderful opportunity to listen. And so, without further ado, here's what a new home sounds like. What you were just listening to was a new home, specifically the main entrance walkway. Before going any further, I should probably run down the specifics of the home. Yes, they're right here. Let's see. So it's a 2-story with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Some of the special features, let's see. Yes, it's there's that charming fireplace in the living room. Gorgeous master bathroom that includes a beautiful walk-in shower and a spectacular main staircase that welcomes you when you walk into the home. You just heard the base of that staircase, so let's take a listen to the upstairs landing of that staircase. Now, in the middle of that listen, you might have heard a individual leaving themselves and flushing the toilet. I would like to clarify that that wasn't me. I don't know who it was. You see, when I was recording the new home, Larry K. stepped out to get some coffee, so I was the only one in the new home. When I picked up the sounds of the toilet flushing, it spooked me quite a bit. I wasn't expecting it. It sounded like, from the listen, like the bathroom goer was using the master bathroom. You know, the one with the beautiful granite walk-in shower. And once I came to that conclusion, it took me about a half hour or so to muster the courage to go and explore that space. So here's what I heard. Yeah. Hello. 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 Anyone here? Hello. 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 Anyone here? Hello. Anyone here? Hello. 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 So, as you just heard, that was the master bathroom with the beautiful walk-in granite shower. And upon listen, you can hear that I found no one in that bathroom. In the midst of trying to discover someone in there, it dawned on me, perhaps whoever was here did not want me to know, but in the process of concealing this information, had to relieve themselves in the bathroom. Perhaps by doing this, they became quite embarrassed and ashamed, and now wanted to hide even more. I can relate quite a bit to that, actually, because I occasionally felt this way when I was a young boy. And one of my prime hiding spots was a small closet down in my basement. I believe its primary role, the closet, was a storage space for Father's childhood belongings. As I can recall, it was space for his records, skis, golf clubs, but as time passed, Mother started to use it for special occasions, and also to stash Christmas presents. I was about 8 when I made this discovery, so I think that's why I was quite drawn to this space so much. Unless Mother was using it already, but, other than that, then this space was mine to hide, and this was one of my fondest memories as a child, hiding down in the basement. And this made me think perhaps this fellow hider in this new home was feeling the same way and wanted to go down in the basement. So that's where I headed next to try to find this secret pisser. And it's down in the basement. So let's take a listen.
Hello? Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Hello?
From my own experience of hiding as a little boy, there was always a reason why I hid. And the same, I guess, could be said about this hider. And who was I to interrupt their hiding time? So with that, I moved onward and continued listening. And now here's the upstairs spare bedroom. Enjoy.
Get out of my home!
Sir. No, sir. What you just heard is the homeowner's second cousin Martin assaulting me and pushing me down the spectacular main staircase. This reminds me of the construction of the stairs. Now that I look back on it, I realize I haven't discussed too much about the construction of the home. I apologize. But, so for the stairs, Larry K. used red oak, a very common and very strong type of wood, with a distinct sound. Maybe you heard it as my head struck the stairs multiple times as I tumbled down. I highly recommend this wood. It's one of the best woods around. Well, that's it. That's what a new home sounds like. Once again, I want to thank local home builder Larry K. from LNA Builders and the homeowners of the magnificent new home I got to listen to. As for the matter with second cousin Martin, legally I'm not allowed to discuss it, but reviewing it with my lawyer, she said I can say that I am okay, and we are glad we found missing Martin. Alright, that's it for today. Until next time, keep listening.